Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of January 25th through the 31st. End of the month, hard to believe. But I'm using this kit from Lucky Charms. I think it's called Winter Hues, but it's super cute. All these blue, gray, silver colors. Definitely very wintry. Definitely good January vibes. I always think of January as being very blue because of all the snow. So I have this. I did cut 2 of these boxes into header size strips, this silver glitter one and this blue glitter one, just so that I have those. I also pulled a few washi tapes. This one's from Amazon. This one I think is from Meyer, and then this one is Scotch tape. I'm gonna use these 2 on the bottom, like so. And then I don't actually know if I'm gonna use the skinny blue one, but I pulled it just in case. So my plan is to stick these down at the bottom, and then I'm gonna put the blue along the top and then the silver along the middle, and then this third one will be covered by the full boxes. So that's my plan. I'm gonna do all those things. I have my slice tool, I have my ruler I got from AliExpress, so I think I'm ready to go. I'm gonna do those quick and then come back. All right, here is where we stand. Obviously there's no extra space at the bottom when you use 2. These are I think both 15 millimeters, so I put them like right against each other, but I kind of like it. It's super cute. There we go, a little sparkle there. If you ever need to know, headers are cut to 1/4 inch, if that's helpful for future reference. I do have 2 headers left of each size. I'll probably use 2 of them in the sidebar, and then the other 2 will be left for like dividing, filling space, whatever. So I have 3 gray and then 5 blue that are left. So I think I'm gonna stick one of the blue ones up here. I think that's gonna be this one. Let's see. Getting these straight is always so hard. All right, that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna stick this one in the center. Sure. So I'm gonna center this one here and just make sure that it lines up so that it covers the other one down here. You can see these boxes are a little long. They're literally 1/8 of an inch too short to cover both headers. So just had to, you know, make it work. But I think this works out fine because I definitely don't need 10 full boxes when I'm using these. So this is a good solution. Gives me plenty of headers. And then I can pretty much, I think I'll pretty much use up this sheet this week. I don't really know which of these like go together per se. So I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I feel like these 2 are like the busier patterns. I don't think there's like really a wrong answer, so I think it's gonna be fine. Oh, actually I kind of want to trade these. I have undo, but I of course never grab it. I mostly use undo when my plans change between when I film my spreads and when you know, life actually happens. Then I use undo to kind of like fix some of the mess. I didn't want the 2 like blue background ones right next to each other. All right, there we go. I think this is really cute. So we're gonna move into the sidebar now. So I think I'm gonna use a silver header first because it's a blue box. I'm going to stick that in like so. Leaving just a tiny gap, which I don't usually do, but I'm doing this week. I pulled some things from Sweet Kawaii Designs. This is one of the Michaels books from a while back, and this blue actually goes pretty well. So I'm gonna put this in as my habit tracker. I'm gonna track Instagram just like I basically always do. I think I might just use the other silver header. Is that crazy? I'm gonna do it anyway. So if it is what it is. And then I'm gonna pull this little cleaning checklist as well from this same book. And then down here, I was like, where did the sheet go? Okay, I've totally got this under control. I'm gonna use another header. Like so. I don't think that's straight, but we're gonna leave it for now, see what happens. And then I think I'm gonna pull this little, like, third box. This does not fit now. I'm gonna pull this header out. I'm just gonna stick this third box in, like so. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put there. Is there anything like obvious in here that I need to get done? This is like a cleaning book, so. Nothing obvious. I think I'm just gonna leave it and I will figure out what to do with that box later in the week. I'm sure I'm gonna have stuff that comes up that I want to fill in. Okay, so moving on to the week. I am going to use these boxes to mark work. And I'm just gonna grab 5 of them right now and stick them on my arms. Starting to fill in right here. All right, I think I have my like 5 sticking here. So I'm just gonna stick this one in. Filling in for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday right now. I'm just gonna leave the other 2 sitting on my arm and we'll get to those in a minute. Also on Monday, I think I'm gonna use a half box because why not? Might as well be a little bit extra. I'm gonna stick this in like so. Pretty much just fills up the top half, but that's fine. While I'm at it, these are my Piper Paper Company Instagram icons. I'm going to use this like darkish gray one right here. And then I'm going to also pull at the same time a Piper Paper Company film tape. And I'm going to stick that right here for my plan with me. Otherwise on Monday, I'm not sure what's going on. Tuesday, nothing's happening. And Wednesday, I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it'll be our calmest Wednesday of 2021. Sticking in for Thursday and Friday. I'm just gonna pop in these last 2 like third boxes, like so. And then on Friday, I'm gonna use maybe this glittery one. I'm gonna stick it right here. It's like a little low, but I think it looks fine. And I'm gonna pull another of that same color. These little film strips from Piper Paper Company. This is just gonna be, I already filmed, but I need to edit and upload for Friday my 2020 Book Bujo flip through. Saturday and Sunday are currently super up in the air, so I'm just gonna leave those as is. So this is kind of what the spread looks like right now. I'll fill in the bits I know with my iHow 0.38 cat pen. Not a lot that I actually know right now, as you can see, but we will work it out. All right, there we go. That is what the week looks like right now. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Do a little wiggle. See the shininess on the bottom. I used up everything from the kit from Lucky Charms. I just have a blank sheet now. As Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit. This habit tracker and this guy are both from Sweet Kawaii Designs. This is from Piper Paper Company. I have a coupon code for a shop, so see that down below. This is a leftover. I don't know where it came from. This is a Scotch washi. This one I think came from Meyer, maybe. Another Piper Paper Co. Sarah Elizabeth Prince. Another leftover. I don't know where it came from. Creative Cavern Studio. Another leftover. I don't know where it came from. Creative Cavern Studio. Another mysterious leftover. Piper Paper Company. This one is from My Planner Life UK. And everything else came from the kit. So that was it. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. I also have coupon codes below, so check that out as well. Also, let me know what kits you're using for spring. I would love to know what you have planned, as I am trying to plan that as well. And until next time, bye.